My hero during Black History Month and year round is Dr. Robert Harris. He is actually a medical doctor born in 1920 from very humble beginnings in Cincinnati, Ohio. He got his bachelor's at Wilberforce University. He entered Army Specialized Training, and in 1944, he graduated fifth in his class from Meharry Medical College. Helped made a tremendous impact on my family with the challenges that he overcame during that time. You're talking about the 40s, 50s, 60s, to be a medical doctor, an author. He went around the world on 3 ecclesiastical peace missions where he was the lead spokesman, and he served for 42 years for that organization. Hi, I'm Nielle Cook. I'm the owner of Avercom, a small business academy and technical assistance center dedicated to closing the gap for Black women entrepreneurs. We create culturally competent programming so that women with great ideas can start businesses. My Black certification has added credibility to the mission that we have. We're not just a business that's dedicated to helping Black women and Black entrepreneurs. We are Black owned. We have been through the experiences, that unique challenges that Black women owned businesses face. And by adding that certification, it really creates a comfort level to our clients and potential clients that makes them feel comfortable with sharing their dream with us. My membership to GLAC has been transformative for my business. I was in business for 4 years before I joined the Greater Los Angeles African American Chamber. And what it did, it opened up a tremendous network of like-minded individuals, Black-owned businesses, and other businesses that I've been able to grow my business significantly. Secondly, the education piece is something that is phenomenal. They bring in decision makers. These are not just people at the bottom of the organization. They bring in decision makers for procurement, which we are ecstatic about. I learned everything that I know about procurement from my association with the African American Chamber here in Los Angeles. And it has been transformative in building infrastructure that allows us to hire and grow the business. Additionally, they sourced grants for me. They brought actual money to my business with the IKEA grant, $5,000, numerous thousands of dollars from the leadership opportunities, the speaker. They've allowed me to speak on certain stages and have opened up doors for me to become a public speaker and add that as an additional layer to my business. So it has been invaluable to the growth of our company.